So you have a set of words. Here it is hit, cog. Hit is the origin, cog is the target. Cog is the target. And intermediary words, hot, dot, dog, lot. Hot, dot, dog, lot. Dog, lot, log, cog. Log, cog. These are the intermediary words possible. You can change, now it is hit. You can change one character of hit and convert that into one of the intermediary words. And finally, you have to change that in. Finally, you have to find whether it is possible to create a cog. Last word, your target word. Here, HIT is there. You can change I with O and get a dog and get a hot. So once you have hot, you can change H into C. Then you can convert that into cog. This is basically your target word. So is such a change is possible is the question. So this is kind of a dynamic programming problem. The width of your terms are fixed. So you have to try all 26 possibilities for all the characters in the. When you change H with A, you will get AIT. Is that allowed intermediary term? You have to check with your given set. If it is not, you can ignore it. And if there is something which is allowed, which is available in your list, you have to go with you have to proceed with that ahead. That is the algorithm you have to form. So how to proceed with this problem? Let's see the code. So the intermediary list is given as an array. We will convert that into a set. Now you have intermediary list as a set. Here, if there is a single character change possible, then you have a connection between these two terms. So ideally, it becomes a kind of breadth first search. It starts from a word, moves to next word. From there, it transfers that into a third word. And that wording is guiding you to your last word. So it's a kind of switching between words. The reason for connectivity is there is a single character difference between the terms. So it's a kind of searching of characters, searching of terms which has single character difference. So we can do this with a breadth first search. Initialize the term in terms required for breadth first search. So you need a queue. BG means beginning, ED means end, while q.empty. Q.empty, you have to fetch the friend of the queue. How to pop it? Then after, you will be having 28 characters for trial, and each of which will be going. Yeah, we will do that. I equal to less than 26 plus. Your character is this plus I. That is your character, and you have to replace it one of the letter in the string. Let's make a copy of string. Now copy has made. You have to change each one of it. CPY I X. If set dot count CPY. If it is there, queue it. If it is, you can just simply leave it. So this is the approach. And if sometime your string becomes your target is ED, then return that one. Return true. If not, return false. This is the kind of search you have to create. So let's try whether it is working or not. It should work for this example. We tested it. It is giving no result. What does that mean? Okay. Making nothing. So you're encoding with your beginning. You have a list of strings. You have popped it out. If string is end, you have to return. Not return false. See what false means you have to It's hitting nowhere. Could be the error. Okay, it's going inside. This might be error, like infinity. It returned false, but it should be true. That chemistry works. What's that chemistry? The start of the queue, we are picking the start of it, and we are searching whether it is in making a copy of current string. We are doing searches. Okay, we have to make something like JPL. Okay. Once your operation is over, you have reset that character. Now it's correct. Because when you do replace operations, you have to revert that changes. Otherwise, nature of the string itself will altogether it will change. It won't be a single node of change. Instead, it will become multiple changes. Now this is the right answer. Thanks for listening.